Hello people, so welcome back to my channel. This is me Shreya Kumari and I hope you all are amazing. If you visit this channel first time, so do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Hello people, so I'm back with another job vacancy video which is Associate Record to Report in Accenture at Gurugram. Now let's discuss the job description. So skill required for this job is Record to Report Account Reconciliation. Designation is Management Level Associate. Job location is Gurugram. Qualification required for this job is BCom, Bachelor in Commerce. Year of experience is required 1 to 3 years. Now let's discuss what would you do in this job. So you will be aligned with their finance operations vertical and will be helping them in determining financial outcomes by collecting operational data, reports, will conducting analysis and reconciling transactions. The Record to Report teams helps clients and organizations in their operational efficiency and balance sheet integrity, cuts time to close and safeguards compliance with regulatory requirement. The areas where this team expertise lies is in posting journal entries, preparing balance sheet reconciliation, reviewing entries and reconciliation, preparing cash forecasting statements, supporting month and closing, preparing reports and supporting audit. The account reconciliation team focuses on general ledger accounting, which contains a summary of sub-ledger accounts. This role requires a good understanding of profit and loss account, bookkeeping, journal entries, voucher entry, trial balance, and month-ending report. This role may also need expertise around intercompany reconciliation, cut-off policies, transfer pricing policies, formal confirmation policy and procedure, dispute resolution policy and procedure, and general procedure. So this was all about what would you do in this job. Now let's discuss what are they looking for. So they are looking for individuals who have the following skill set. First is ability to perform under pressure. Second is ability to establish a strong client relationship. Third is ability to handle disputes. Fourth is ability to manage multiple stakeholders. Last and fifth is ability to meet deadlines. Now let's discuss the roles and responsibilities for this job. So in this role, you are required to solve routine problems. Your expected interactions are within your team and direct supervisor. You will be provided detail to a moderate level of instruction on daily work tasks. You will need to be well versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day-to-day businesses. You will be required to help in overall team's workload by managing and deliverable. You'll help the team when required. And last one is you will be individual contributor as a part of team with a predetermined focus scope of work. Please note, this role may require you to work in rotational shift. Here rotational shift means you have to work 15 days in day and 15 days in night. So this was all about today's video. If you like and if you want to apply for this job, so what you need to do is I will share the link in the description box. You can go and check it out from there, and if you're interested and eligible, so you can apply through that link. Also, if you have any queries, so ask me in comment section. I will try to answer you all. So this was all about today's video. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like this video, so give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Also, if you have any queries, so ask me in comment section. I will try to answer you all. And do follow me on Instagram. Thank you.